Here's the juice. I've cleaned out my fridge of cucumber, curry, one green apple, the skin of one lemon. What else? Some old celery that's been there for quite a while. Mint, which is on its last legs. What else did I put in here? And two tomatoes, two very ripe tomatoes. So I'll have a taste and tell you what it's like. It's nice and refreshing. I didn't expect the cucumber and tomato to go so well together. It actually does. There's just the slightest hint of mint. I think I didn't put enough. But I think a little bit of Lee and Parents in this would go very well. It's a bit like what do you call it? V8, you know, the taste. Yes, that took it up to the next level. All you need is just a dash of Lee and Parents, and yep, it's really nice. The tomato makes it nice, thick, and almost creamy. I had two very ripe tomatoes in it. Okay, that's it for today. Friday, February 20th. Yeah, 21st, whatever it is. Anyway, it's Friday.